Okay, Parker, this is the training phase of your Red Faction probationary period. If you survive, you'll be ready to help lead the minor rebellion against Ultor when the time comes. Some doors open as you approach. Others, like this airlock door, require you to press a button to open. If the button doesn't work, the door's locked. You'll have to find the access card or control to unlock it. Keep an eye on your suit's gauges, which are in the upper left corner of your HUD. The outer ring is your suit's integrity. If it gets to 0, you suffer damage when you're outside. The inner ring is your health. When it gets to 0, you're dead. Practice climbing on the fence, girders, and ladder in your EnviroSuit. Get used to that sound. You'll hear alarms a lot once we strike back at Ultor. Step into the security control room to learn how to use a monitor. Pretend the barrels are guards and take them out with this turret. Nothing more to shoot here, Parker. Keep moving. There's a medic in the room to your right. Medics are sworn to heal anyone. Go to the medic and he'll bandage your wound.
Hold still and I'll see what I can do. You're as healthy as a horse.
If you ever need to hide a body, pick it up, carry it somewhere out of the way, and dump it. If you've been injured or your suit's been damaged, check containers, medical cabinets, and lockers for med packs and suit repair kits. Looks like this door is broken. Crouch. Practice jumping across this small gap. Ask nicely, and the miner will open the door for you.
Go right on through, Parker.
Like the sub? We stole it from Ultor. Climb in and take it for a ride, in case you have to drive a vehicle after we launch the revolt. Fire some torpedoes to get a feel for it. Head for the other tunnel when you're ready to continue. Climb out of the sub and go up the stairs. Open the gun cabinet and grab the pistol and sniper rifle. The gauge in the upper right of your HUD shows how much ammo you have left. Sometimes Sometimes it pays to be inconspicuous. Holstering your weapon will help you blend in, since
Don't hurt
guns
me,
make
please.
people jumpy. Take some target practice here. Be sure to destroy all the bottles. Nothing more to shoot here, Parker. Keep moving. Open up your message log and scroll through the messages I've sent you. This log automatically records. Messages that you receive. Reinforced glass is unbreakable. Go ahead, shoot it. Normal glass can be shattered by weapon fire, allowing you into the room beyond. Use these to blow a hole in the wall at the X. Congratulations! You passed the Red Faction training session.